where we at. Welcome to Eden Princeton Embroidery, the home of your dreams.
How many years have you been in this spot right here?
2 years.
2 years? Cool.
¿Cuántos años llevas trabajando en lo que haces? 16 years of experience. He actually taught me a trick. You know the bobbin?
Yeah.
When you embroider? You know how they have like the pre-wound bobbins? I'll show you. So usually, right, we keep this on.
Yeah.
We take it out here. What we learned is that if you keep it on, the thread gets caught in the cardboard, and that's when you start getting all these like, you know, needle inconsistency. Yeah. But if you take it out, it's super consistent. So for all y'all embroiderers out there, take it out. Take it out.
It's a little tiny things like that come with like years of experience and figuring it out.
I mean, I literally didn't know this, you know? And even like on this, you know? See it?
Yeah.
I don't go around the pigtail.
Oh, okay.
We just keep it like that. As long as you got it proper digitized, I mean, you're winning.
So that's less tension or more tension or just?
It's even tension,
even
actually.
Tension.
Yeah.
That's probably best then, right?
Because I think the pigtail, what it does, it actually grabs on, so you have a tighter tension. Okay. So
more spring.
More spring. So then that's when you start playing with, you know, kind of all this stuff. So
yeah.
Jose taught me that.
Nice. That's great.
And he's a master at digitizing. He does a lot of digitizing, a lot of color separations and stuff like that.
That looks pretty good for first print ever.
That's my first one.
That's cool.
And I think I could have gone a little different separating the colors, but I didn't know at the time.
What would you do different?
So I overlaid the white on top of the black.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you like kind of, you know, got close to it, you can kind of see the black.
So that's the non-color separation, color separation.
Yeah. But it's one of my favorite prints.
It looks cool.
It's amazing.
Good.
It's everything behind it, more faith than fear, I think. That's how I live every day.
If you can, that's the way. Yeah. That's the zone to be in.
That's why it's up there.
What's cool about those black and white seps like that? Like any color, right? Put on any color shirt you want.
I recently had one done, same thing. I was running to the issue, you know, separating it. I was just trying to go, the shirt was black, so I was just like, you know what, I'll just run it on Photoshop and kind of do like the halftone. You know, sure enough, here I come. I print it, it's not looking right. I was like, nah, I think we have to do something here. Yeah. So NorCal came and play.
The black in.
So the base and the black.
There you go.
Yeah.
That looks pretty good.
Right?
That's nice
and
dark.
I'm printing it out of the P5000.
I mean, it's dark, but it's like 7 out of 10 dark.
What do you think?
On a 1 to 10, I'd say it's like a 7 for darkness.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can get a more opaque than that. And
how do we do that? How do we accomplish
It's usually printer settings, but these halftones, these blasted out okay, right?
Yeah.
It's just the really tiny ones. Yeah, it's film density usually.
Like I got it, right? I had no idea how to use this printer.
Yeah.
And I just print directly with that. Like I haven't even changed no setting.
Yeah, you can get more ink, and if you show me, if you just hit Command P on your thing, and I'll
look at that. We're learning something new today.
So try premium glossy photo paper. I don't know if this is gonna make a difference, but
let's try it out. We'll try this guy out.
And then kick this up to 2880. Oh, and here's like, on this printer, I don't know if it's such a factor, but on a lot of printers, if it has this high speed right here, so let's uncheck that and then see how she comes out. Right now, we are checking the printer settings for this Epson P5000 just to get the densest film that we can, the most ink onto the film, and if we have a good film that's 100% black, it's gonna block the light. When we expose the screen, it's gonna block the light fully for these tiny, tiny halftones or any spot color. It's gonna make it very easy to rinse out your film and get a good screen. So sometimes the printer settings are key to get nice dark film, so we'll check it out.
Let's run that boy. Fire up. Is it that?
That's what
it might just be the art. Yeah, because I was talking about, I run into an issue every now and then when I'm doing halftones, especially like CMYK stuff. Yeah. And the halftones are pretty small. Yeah. Like I won't blow them out. So I was just asking him, I was like, is it my exposure timing? But I think my exposure timing is pretty.
Do you soak the screen in water afterwards?
Yeah.
30 seconds.
In like an actual dunk tank?
Yeah, I got my tip tank, and then I got my washout.
Slick.
Yeah, if it's not all the way black, then you're gonna have issues with that too.
Maybe that's what it is.
This is it right here.
Yeah. Let's go on there. So you...
Didn't change that one at all because it looked pretty dense.
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well change it.
All right.
All of it. Straight up. And it just pops off of there without elongating the print.
Oye, esa está buena. So básicamente está diciendo que ya ves que a veces tenemos, I'm gonna explain in Spanish. Ya ves que a veces cuando sacamos la camisa, ¿no? La camisa la sacamos así que aquí y aquí. Ya ves cuando están bien calientes agarra bien duro. Entonces está diciendo que para arriba.
Straight up. If it's a big ass print, then you pop it first down here. Pop, pop, and then pop. And it won't stretch out the print.
It has like the standard cap and flat plate. On this one, I have to change to flats and caps. But this one right here, dude, the springs on this, when you do puff on this, so the way I got it set up right now, it's like all my hat stuff gets done here, and then all my flats get done here. This is where I literally started. I had that little butterfly machine that I had at the shop. I had it like in here. I had an old Robbie Hopkins, like 250, I think it was, that I got from a local screen printer here in town.
Yeah.
Like I had it right here, and then I was drying at the time with a flash dryer that I bought from Amazon. It got the job done.
Yeah.
It got the job done.
That's cool, dude.
Consistency, like I was just talking to him, you know? That's it. That's where I want it.
Oh, like also the placement of the actual stitches.
You can adjust the foot height as well, so that it doesn't
Yeah.
leave like that burn mark.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
When I tell him to come out twice a year, I tell him like what I'm using his machine for. So he adjusts it to it. So I mean, it's good for like 6 months, and then he comes back out.
Yeah.
And he checks it. And we got a finished product. Snap it out. So easy tear away.
Oh, okay.
There it is. Who's gonna try it on?
Oh, dude.
Right?
Maybe based on that. There you go.
Let's go.
That's it.
Ready for a night out.
Bloody.
There you go. That's all you need.